The most compact portable toilet that I've come up with is this aluminum pipe stool. I think this is a nylon, or it could have a canvas top on it. And what I would do is just take and cut in about 1.5 inches or so. I don't want to cut on this seam because that holds it to the pipe. So I want to cut inside there. Then once that's cut out, let's take a 13-gallon garbage bag and put that down through the hole. Then these edges get put around, so then when I sit on it, it's going to hold the bag in place. I want to check it though too and make sure the bag has stayed in place. Use it and just get up the bag and dispose of that. Works really nice, but it's nice that this just folds down for traveling. Really small and compact. Works very well. Be sure and check out my other videos.